When the skies are gray and heavy, and your dreams feel far away, close your eyes and hear the whisper, you are stronger than the pain. Every heartbeat tells a story, every tear will fade in time. Keep believing, keep on breathing.
Today, we created an AI-generated song using multiple powerful tools. Here's how we did it, step by step. Generating the lyrics with ChatGPT. We started by going to ChatGPT, where we requested original lyrics for a hopeful and inspiring song. Within moments, ChatGPT provided us with beautifully written lyrics that became the foundation of our song. Composing music with Riffusion. Next, we used Riffusion to turn our lyrics into music. We entered a descriptive prompt that matched the mood of the song, then pasted the lyrics into the tool. After adjusting the settings, we generated the song and downloaded the final audio in MP3 format. Then, we asked ChatGPT for image generation prompts for each scene based on the lyrics. Creating visuals with Leonardo.ai. Using those prompts, we went to Leonardo.ai and generated stunning, cinematic images that perfectly match the mood and story of the song. After generating all images, we asked ChatGPT for image-to-video prompts to animate each scene. Turning images into animated video clips with Hilo.ai, we uploaded the images to Hilo.ai, entered the detailed prompts, and generated short video clips that brought each scene to life. Once done, we downloaded all the animated video clips. Final editing on Canva. We opened Canva and selected a video format according to our preference. Then, we imported all the video clips one by one and arranged them in the desired order. After that, we added the song, adjusted the timing to sync with the visuals, and enhanced the video with some animations, and our AI-generated song video is ready.
When the skies are gray and heavy, and your dreams feel far away, Close your eyes and hear the whisper. You are stronger than the pain. Every heartbeat tells a story. Every tear will fade in time. Keep believing, keep on breathing. You are born to shine. Rise again like the morning sun. Chase the winds, let your spirit run. Through every fall, every broken end, hope will find you. Rise again. Rise again. When the night feels cold and endless, and you're lost inside the storm, remember love is still around you, and tomorrow you'll be reborn. Every heartbeat tells a story. Every tear will fade in time. Keep believing, keep on dreaming. You are made to climb. Rise again like the morning sun. Chase the winds, let your spirit run. Through every fall, every broken end, hope will find you.
If you want top 10 AI song video from this tools, then comment song.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.